In today's video, I'll guide you on how to properly credit Epidemic Sound for the music you used. Before we begin, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Your encouragement fuels our commitment to bringing you top-notch content. When incorporating music from Epidemic Sound into your videos, podcasts, or streams, it's essential to honor the creativity of the artists responsible for the tracks. When you give them proper credit, it not only acknowledges their artistic contributions, but also ensures compliance with usage terms and adds a layer of professionalism to your content. To credit Epidemic Sound artists effectively, just follow these guidelines. Fill up detailed information about the music in your video description or credits. Specifically, mention the artist's name and the title of the music piece. In addition to that, don't forget to mention that the music is used courtesy of Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound offers a convenient feature for generating shareable links for each track. To use this feature, navigate to the desired track on the Epidemic Sound website. Just find the Share button, usually displayed as an arrow pointing to the left. Clicking this button will automatically copy the track's link to your clipboard. Now, all you have to do is paste the copied link into your video description or any other appropriate location where you wish to credit the music. You can use the keyboard shortcut CMD+C on Mac or Ctrl+C on Windows for quick and efficient pasting. By following these steps, you not only show respect for the artist's creative efforts, but also ensure transparency and professionalism in how you use music from Epidemic Sound in your creative projects. That wraps up this video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, explore MediaMagnetGuide.com for a treasure trove of tutorials and resources covering various subjects.